Let's learn the days of the week, 7 in total, bright and unique. Monday comes, we clean and sweep, tidy the toys before we sleep. Aayan helped fold the blankets. Tuesday's here, books open wide. Let's count and draw and read with pride. Samir showed Mama his ABCs. Wednesday's fun with splashy play. Let's water plants and laugh all day. Baby Minaal giggled near the watering can. Thursday's here. Hooray, hooray! We help Mama cook today. Papa Daddy helped stir the pot. Friday brings our music cheer. We sing and dance and clap right here. Everyone danced in the living room. Saturdays for fun outdoors. We ride our bikes and explore new doors. Samir and Aayan zoomed past the park sign. Sundays calm and full of grace. Snuggles, stories, a slower pace. Papa Daddy read a bedtime story. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, fun with you. Saturdays play, Sundays rest. Every day we try our best. Each day brings something new to enjoy and learn. Papa Daddy smiled. Let's be kind and make every day special.